spent about another day on this, so what I've done is change the cam belt, water pump, tensioner and follower. Try and get some of these holes sorted. Getting the cocks out was pretty tricky. Okay, so I can't remember what day we're at now. Might even be 15, which is a bit scary because that'd be the halfway point. Any road up. Dashboard out, steering wheel off. It's quite tricky to do actually. In the back of the steering wheel there are some prongy things that you need to bend out, and then if you can see the wires in there, they flex out, and that then releases these catches, which in turn allow the release then of the airbag. Got airbags out. A bit tricky. Had an auto electrician come out yesterday, come and give us a hand to get the thing really started, and it did. It's brilliant. Really chuffed. As you can see, all the cabling still to go back in once we get the dash back in, but we have the dash is now done. Sprayed it all up. Let's see what it's like with the not too bad, not too bad at all. So that is done with the stone chip cover and then grey paint over the top, which should bring it back to the similar sort of finish to that of the existing panelling. So right, now time to get this back in, and there we have it. One dashboard back in. Still got all the clocks and connections to refit, but already quite pleased with that. Looking quite good. Moving on.